So I restored this last week, and unfortunately I broke this part, which resulted in me buying this cheapo plane on a whim. I tried to weld it and that failed, so I replaced the part with a new original Stanley part, $45 Australian. It has a pressed metal lever, which works, but pretty crummy. And check out the quality of the casting. That's the original. So I raised it with Stanley, and they sent me another new part. So that's number one. And that's number two. It's marginally better, but yeah, still not really happy with it. At a quick glance, this one's way better. And this whole plane costs half the price of this part. Furthermore, it doesn't fit. I'm gonna have to modify the slot. They weigh the same. This one has a wider mouth. Look how nice and crisp that casting is. The blade is sharp out the box and good quality, but I demonstrate at the end that it needs a proper sharpened and polished edge. This one's got a lateral adjuster. That one doesn't. There's no stamping on the casting. It looks quite smooth and defect free. I'm going to make a new knob. Mistakes happen. To be safe, I'm going to make another two. The body's painted a dark grey. This cap iron is for the Stanley 220 I'm offering to give away next week. There is a link to that full plane restoration video at the end. This looks harsh, but it's just a sandpaper disc. And any fine scratches are filled with this paint. This is an engine enamel that doesn't need a primer. It's hard, oil resistant, and looks like the original paint finish. Camphor laurel. Those shavings are horrible. The blade feels sharp, but it's just mashing the wood. I'll try some pine. That's the easiest wood to plane. But it's not much different. Tasmanian oak. Looks like the lateral adjustment is off. I'm going to give it a proper sharpen and retest it on the first timber. I am really happy with that. The controls are still a bit stiff, but after a tune-up, it's a usable tool that looks nice and definitely worth the $25. That's $17 US. The video links at the end are to the planes I restored last week, and on the 26th of May I'll put a link to the maker video for the box set giveaway where I'll tell you how to get it.